So today's gonna be one of those videos. See if I could accomplish drawing a butterfly on my face. I don't think I can, but we gonna see how this gonna play out. So right now I'm about to start out with an eyeliner. I feel like it's gonna be good for outlining. Okay, what's up y'all? So just like I said, I'm about to start with, just a simple pencil liner. You can use white, brown, black. I just have to use black because that's the one that was closest to me. But I'm basically right now just using my imagination and just trying to carve out the shape of the butterfly that I want. And you're gonna see me like go in, wipe lines away, and you're gonna see me do like a whole bunch of other stuff. But just know this part is really important because you don't want to just have a crappy butterfly on your face, like for what? So yeah, just outline it, take as long as you can, take your time, don't rush, because once you get the perfect outline, everything else will come into play. Hey, I'm back. So now what I'm doing is I'm taking a very light concealer so that when I put on, the colors for the butterfly, it can stand out more. It won't be so, blah. It can go onto a light contrast. Is that I don't know if that's the word, but yeah, it can just go onto a white surface. Yeah, that, and it can pop and do its little thing. Okay, so what I'm doing right now is I'm just going to take my good old setting powder and set the concealer so it won't break up into pieces when I put the color on. And after that, I'm just going to go in with my BH Cosmetics with I believe it was a pastel pink, but I really didn't like it, so I went in with my Zulu palette and I just finished out the pink. I'm not doing any of these colors neat at all just because I want it to look realistic, but I don't want it to look too realistic, if that makes sense. I just want it to look good enough. And then after that, I'm just going to go in with purple and I'm going in with blue, and I'm just going to blend the colors into each other to look, it's kind of fading a bit, like just going into a deeper color-ish for the butterfly, because I just want it to look really pretty. Okay, I almost forgot to add this, but I'm going in with my Saharan palette for Juvia's Place, and I'm just basically shading in the butterfly. Like, I'm trying to make it look like it's standoutish, like just make it look nice, make it look like in a way it's popping out of my skin, if that makes sense. Okay, so now what I'm doing right now is taking my eyeliner, is in Wet n Wild, it's the dip, it's like the dip liner, and I'm just taking the eyeliner brush that I bought, is the e.l.f. one, and I'm just creating little lines throughout the butterfly, because if you actually think about it, butterflies have that pretty old, you know, lines throughout them, make them look real unique. So I'm just really thinking about where I normally see the lines at, and I'm just drawing them on there. It's kind of annoying because I try to use the white liner, and just no, I hated it. I hated every second of using it. Even the wing liner that I did with the eyeliner, it didn't work. None of it worked. So yeah, when you're doing this, I recommend using the NYX Cosmetics white eyeliner. That one's really good. I saw so many people using it. Do not use this. I got this from the hair store. It's not good whatsoever. I forgot. It's by Kiss. I believe it's by Kiss, and I hated it. But as you can see, I'm just trying to make it look more realistic and stuff like that. I don't recommend putting those dots right there because I thought they was ugly at the end of the day. So yeah. Notice how long this video is, but I'm putting on some lashes. I was looking for some very, very dramatic lashes. I don't think those was the ones I was looking for, but they worked out. I mean, just when you do this look, I recommend dramatic lashes because, I mean, why not? It's an art piece on your face. But anyway, I'm just smoking out the bottom, you know, part of my eye and just making it look better because I thought it looked really stupid. I didn't do anything with it. And then I'm trying to cover up the white liner that I messed up so horribly with the eyeshadow. And now the video is going really fast, but right now I'm just doing my eyebrows. I'm just making everything just the same as any other video, just making my face up. But the only difference is I'm going to use the colors I use my butterfly, I'm going to use on my eye, like, if that makes sense to you. And it's going to be a cut crease, but instead of using concealer, I'm going to use my dip eyeliner in black, the Wet n Wild one that I always talk about, that I always use. And I'm just going to basically make that look smoky, yet it's still a cut crease. Like, I hope you understand. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Okay, so now that I got done with the eyes, I'm gonna go in with white liner, but I strongly recommend using a gold glitter. I don't know why. I wanted to do it, but I couldn't find my glitter glue, so I recommend just going with some glitter. It will turn out so much better where I'm putting the white liner at. And then I'm going to go in with my Becca Cosmetics, the one in sandalwood that I always use, that I need to find my Fenty one so I can show you all some new stuff. But yeah, I'm just going to put my foundation on. I'm going to be really careful around the edges of the butterfly. And I'm just going to blend everything out and do everything just as if I was doing any other time. Wish that I use gold now for the glitter, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. I want you guys to like and subscribe if you love this video. And yeah, thank you so much for, spending the time to watch it, even though I know y'all don't get through this. But bye.